Welcome to this instructional video by Orkel Compactors. In this video, you will learn how to adjust the speed of the feed table and the elevator on the Orkel MC compactors. All the MC compactors are delivered with default feed table, belt under, and elevator speeds, but you may want to adjust them to achieve higher efficiency. If you want to change the feed table speed, you may do this by adjusting the feed table valve. To increase the speed, turn the valve counterclockwise, and to decrease it, turn it clockwise. The belt under has two functions. The low speed is a recycling function which brings back excess material to the elevator. High speed is the transport of the bale from the chamber to the wrapping table. Use the two valves in front to adjust these functions. Note that the belt under and feed table share the same oil pump. Adjusting the speed of the feed table may affect the speed of the belt under. The elevator has two speeds, a high speed and a low speed. The elevator will run on high speed until the chamber is nearly full, then change to low speed. Adjust these by using the valves in the back, as shown. We hope you find this video useful. Please check out our channel for more instructional videos on your Orkel compactor.